I just generated 30 high-performing videos with high virality potential for a B2B client without brainstorming hooks, without filming, hiring creators, or editing from scratch. And it only took me 20 minutes. And I say that they have high virality potential because every video is based on a format that has already went viral in that niche. The whole system works by finding what's working, cloning the video, swapping the character, and outputting platform-ready videos in minutes. It's the same method that's used by accounts like these that generate millions of views. Just instead of dances, it's optimized for your product and your niche. Basically, instead of guessing what might work, I'm replicating patterns that already proved that they work, and I'm pushing them consistently. So in this video, I'll show you the entire process, from finding the right source of videos to clone, to turning one winning format into a full month of organic content for any niche and any product. So let's begin. Now, before I show you everything, let's talk about why does this method even work. First, you're remaking already viral content. Trends are literally just people doing the same thing over and over again. If something works, a format especially, not an audio or song, you can replicate it with success. You see this everywhere. On TikTok, even with long form on YouTube, even on Twitter with posts, right? And this means you're saving a ton of time because you don't need to run your own experiments, test different formats, and spend months posting hundreds of videos that never work. Second, it saves you time, of course, because this system completely eliminates the need to film or edit. We're going to be cloning videos and replacing people in them with our avatars. This also means that there's no hiring costs because you don't need a UGC creator and you don't need to use your own face. So let's talk about how to actually do it for any product and any niche. Now, first, you'll want to need to find accounts that you want to copy. Basically, find the leaders, people getting a lot of views in your niche. Now, if you can't find any accounts, don't worry. Later in the video, I'll show you a library of accounts that you can use to copy. But let me show you now how to actually do that in just a couple of minutes with your phone. So open up TikTok and go to the search tab. In this search tab, just type in any keyword of your niche. For example, productivity.
You're ambitious but lazy.
Damn! Then click on the three dots at the top, click filters, sort by like count, and date posted in last 6 months or last 3 months. Do 6 months if you can't find anything in 3 months. And click apply. Now you'll be presented a ton of videos that are super viral. 3 million likes. 3 million likes, 3 million, 2 million, right? For example, let's take this one. The deadline is tomorrow and you finally reach the perfect level of panic to start being productive. Doesn't matter, right? It's a video that has done extremely well, 2 million likes, and we could copy it. So we check the profile to see if they have a lot more videos of this format, because that's what we need. And as you can see, she has a lot of videos with those text, block of text style. Right here, 2 million views, 4 million views. So what you'll do is just save this account. Copy the link, save the account, follow it. We'll use it later on. Now, once you have it, let's prepare the video cloning. Let me show you how to actually clone these videos. So first, you'll want to create your avatar. You can of course use yourself, but if you don't want to, let me show you how to do that. First, go to vidcloner.com. This is the software we're going to be using to actually clone the videos and recreate them with our avatar so we can go and post them, right? So sign up and here you'll be able to create your avatar. There are 2 ways to do that. First, just by describing your avatar. For example, you want an Eastern hair organic, right? You can do just that and it will generate you an image. You click generate avatar and it will generate in a bit. Or what you can do is extract facial features from a person you like. So you would go to Pinterest, you would search up any type of avatar that you want, you would pick one, you would use their images as the base, you would upload them right here as reference images, just like that. You would write a prompt. Here you go. You as well use a prompt, right? And some reference images, and you generate the avatar. Now, how you do it doesn't really matter. as long as you have an avatar that you want to use for your videos. Now, once you generate the avatar, go to the account we found in the previous step, the leader of the niche. Now, if you did not find any accounts, go to Inspiration tab, and right here you'll see all kinds of accounts that you can copy. For example, these accounts creating content for Follow Spy. You can use their content or any other creator content that's linked in the Inspiration tab. I constantly update it, so you'll definitely find enough videos to copy. Now, once you choose the account to copy, what you want to do is select the video. For example, let's take this one. What you'll do then is copy the link, go to VidCloner, go to create, paste the TikTok URL, just delete anything else, keep the URL clean, select the avatar we just created, and click clone video. What it will do is recreate the same video, just replace the person in the video with your avatar, the one we created. And you can do that for every single video, right? Now, these are just generic videos. They're not doing much. But like I showed you previously, you can copy accounts that promote other products. Everything really depends on the inputs on the accounts you're cloning. For example, this account that creates content for Follow Spy or whatever, basically you need to find content that would allow you to promote your app or your product, or use this as a growth engine to grow the account as a whole and plug in the account into the caption like this person does. There are literally millions of ways to do this. Now, if you don't want to have the text in the video, what you need to do when creating the video is simply edit the system prompt. You do that by clicking advanced settings and typing in here, remove any text from the image. And that's it. What will happen then is it will remove all of this text and only keep the avatar. This way you can create videos for UGC, for whatever, and just edit them yourself. I made a full guide on how to actually use this tool for the best results possible, all of the features. So if you want to see that, just check it here or somewhere, linked in the description. Now let's take a look at the video generated. It's insane. Let me like, you can see side by side. It's the same video, just with our avatar. It could be you, AI generated person, doesn't matter. But just in a couple of minutes, we created a video that previously got millions of views, and we can use it for ourselves to promote our app. Now, you would do this across many different videos, across many different profiles, blasting the content. So TikTok and Instagram has no other option but to show it to big audiences. Now, once the video is done generating, it should take like 10 to 20 minutes. All you need to do is download the video and post it on social media. But here's the pro tip. If you're really serious about scaling organic content creation and you want to acquire a lot of users, set up US TikTok accounts to target the richest audience in the world. Because the difference between getting thousands of users every day from a viral video and a video just going viral and flopping, having no users converting, is the audience you target. If your video is pushed to a third world country, you're definitely not going to get as many sales as you would if you were posting in a first world country. So if you want to see how to actually set up US TikTok accounts, how to target US audience, I suggest you to take a look at this video where I share a tool that does exactly that.